If you spend the holiday season straining to hear those around you, you might want to think about kicking off the new year with a new set of hearing aids. There's so many choices on the market today that before investing in what seems to be a great deal, a trip to your local audiologist or hearing aid specialist may be in order. The audiology and hearing aid specialists at Lake Ear, Nose, Throat and Facial Plastic Surgery explain the different styles of hearing aids available and how to find out what's right for you.
Hearing aids today are a lot different. They're very comfortable, they're very natural sounding, and they're a lot smaller than they used to be.
There's a variety of styles of hearing aids. There's ones that go behind the ear that have an ear mold that's made to fit your ear. There's ones that just have a little tube in your ear. Those are called open fit hearing aids. By far, that's the most popular right now. There's ones that go in your ear and ones that go completely in your ear so they're invisible.
We are an independent hearing aid dispenser, which means that we can carry many different brands of hearing aids. We're not going to be stuck with one particular brand.
When you're choosing a hearing aid, you want to use a provider that gives you options. We are not about telling you what you need to wear. We will make a recommendation because certain hearing losses, dictate a certain style, but even at that, you don't have to wear that style. It's just a recommendation. Beyond that, we will give you the differences between the levels of technology and let you decide what level of technology might suit you best. And then we work with a number of different companies. So if we try this hearing aid and it doesn't work, we take it off, we try this hearing aid. I don't know what sounds good to you, so trying different hearing aids is how we find the best one for you. You have a trial period of 30 days, so you take them home, you might come back in, we'll make some adjustments for you, try them again. If they're still not working, we'll move on to something else. We might try 2 or 3 different things before we figure out what works for you. Sometimes it's just different manufacturers. Sometimes it's a different level of technology. If we've tried a couple of different manufacturers and you still have the same complaint, sometimes it's just that you need better technology to fix that complaint.
A very important part of recommending hearing aids is learning about the lifestyle of the individual. If you are someone who's at home, then you probably don't need one of the more moisture-resistant type of hearing aids. But if you're a very active individual who's out dancing, playing golf, more actively involved in the environment, perspiring, then we definitely need to make a choice that we're going to select a hearing aid that can resist moisture and the problems that we could have more so than others. There are certain types of hearing aids that we would want to avoid if the person has a lot of problems with earwax. So we need to learn about the patient, their lifestyle, their body, their ears, to help us determine what is the best recommendation for them. The hearing loss is not the only thing that determines what hearing aid we will use.
For more information on hearing aids and the audiology services available at Lake Ear, Nose, Throat and Facial Plastic Surgery, please click on the Choices in Hearing story link icon on our homepage at yourhometownhealth.com.